Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase to Koinly. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Koinly website and then log in your account. After that, once you logged in your account, you need to click on this wallet option from the top menu. After you do that, it will display all the wallets that you can connect to your Koinly. Now from here, you have to select the Coinbase. You can use this search bar to search for Coinbase. After that, it's going to open up this window. It's going to show you two options that you can use to connect your Coinbase. First is auto sync and second is import from file. So first option is very easy to do and recommended. The second option require very high work and you have to import your transaction history manually. So I'm just going to use this first option. Once you do that, it will show you this screen. So you from here have to click on this continue to Coinbase. After you click on it, it will open up your Coinbase website. On here, you just have to log in your account using your passkey or any credentials. Then it will show you this window. From here, you just have to click on this checkbox and then click on this allow access. And once you do these steps, your Coinbase will be connected to your Coinly. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.